Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Pups token. Name of the token is Pups, ticker symbol is also Pups. This token is trending number 3 right now on DEX Screener. This is a meme token on the Solana blockchain, and it is up 247% right now in the past 24 hours, doing very well. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So you can find their Telegram at Pups World Peace. 1,245 Telegram members, 286 of them are online. That's a great place to join the discussion regarding this project. If you want to learn more about the project, talk to community members, all that sort of stuff, that's a great place. And they also have a Twitter, which I'm going to put on the screen right here. And it has a link to their Telegram right there on the Twitter. Their Twitter is at Pups Token, blue verified checkmark, 1,588 tweets. And they joined in April last year, so this is a year old, this Twitter. They have 9,358 followers. It says Pups is a meme coin on the largest blockchain in the world, Bitcoin. And now it is on Solana as well. So it says here, Pups is the first meme coin on Bitcoin. Pups is the first BRC20 airdrop on Bitcoin. Pups is migrating to ruins with BRC20 and ordinal pre-rune as mint burn. And it says 77% BRC20 Pups, 23% rune puppets. And then it has a link to their marketplace on unisat.io, and that is all in their pinned tweet, so you could check that out. But they have this Solana token as well. Now, if we check out the DEX Screener chart here, it says the Solana token basically was just created 15 days, 7 hours ago. So it's a little bit over 2 weeks old, this specific token. Actually, the pool was created a little bit over 2 weeks ago on Raydium. So if you're looking to get the Solana version of this token, which is the newer one, basically you would need a wallet for Solana tokens, like a Phantom wallet or a Soulflare wallet, and you would fund that wallet with Sol, go into the dApps, find Raydium, and then trade your Sol for the Pups token using the contract address that you could find on their official webpage, which is pupstoken.com. And it says here, Pups is the first meme coin on Bitcoin and is not affiliated with OPIUM or Bitcoin Puppets, 100% community deployed. So it's not actually from the people who made Bitcoin Puppets or whatever OPIUM is, and I don't even know what that stands for. But yes, so you can find this token on DEX Screener in the Solana section. Their market cap right now is $2.9 million. FDV is $2.9 million. $17.63 per token. Now, they have $209,000 in liquidity in Raydium right now. And it says here only 17.96% of the tokens are locked and burned. So just be aware of that. They're not fully locked and burned, only 17.96%. So that could be a little sketchy, so just be aware of that. You don't want to get rugged. I mean, obviously they can't rug the 17.96%, but I mean, a lot of other liquidity they can, obviously. So just be aware of that. It's not fully locked, so that would be the first security warning that I could give you here on this project. Even doing well in the past 6 hours, it's up 130% right now. And it's basically at around 0.1 SOL per token right now. They also have a DEX screener chart here that'll give us a little bit different information. So it says they have 4,040 holders. They have 631.08 pooled SOL in Raydium, which is equivalent to 5.55 thousand Pups tokens. And they have a 99 out of 99 DEX score, so that's good. And then their webpage, pupstoken.com. They have links to DEX tools, Unisat, Telegram, Twitter. It says Pups, first meme coin on Bitcoin, and forever changed the cryptocurrency landscape by conducting the first ever successful BRC20 token drop. The milestone is more than just a historical feat, it's a testament to Pups being 100% free and fair launch. Pups is a meme coin, there's zero utility, no roadmap, no promises, only community. Now they have the Mintonomics here. It says, while it had a history making airdrop on Bitcoin, Pups is just a meme token, and it's split up basically between public fair launch and airdrops, it says here. Now, it says, I mean, they're hoping for world peace, but it doesn't say how they're actually helping with world peace or doing anything, you know, to further world peace or anything like that. I don't even know why world peace is mentioned, but okay. And then, yeah, so you're going to find a lot of information, obviously, in their tweets, more than on their webpage, because there's over 1,000 something tweets compared to just a couple little small paragraphs on their webpage. And besides that, they do have a quick audit. Now, it does have one alert on it. So let's check this out here. So this is an audit on DEX tools by Quick Intel Security. Now, it says contract is verified. It says no honeypot. Tax is not modifiable. No other risks. But the one warning, it says there is mintable tokens. Now, I don't know if that's in the contract because of, you know, like Bitcoin, Unisat, you're like inscribed. I don't know why that's in there. Are they minting new tokens? If so, why? Like, why is that on the Solana contract? I would be wondering, but I don't know. There's only 17 point something % of the tokens locked in liquidity, and then there's mintable tokens. That could be a little sketchy, so just be aware of that. Thoroughly do your own research before investing in this token. When there's, you know, warnings, there's always risks, so be aware of that. Thoroughly do your own research. Let me know in the comments down there, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.